Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and if you were able to pick up the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 Mystic Black or Mystic Silver, then I got some accessories for you. Today we're going to take a look at watch bands from UAG that are going to give your Galaxy Watch 3 a whole new look. Let's go ahead and check them out. Now we all know UAG for their fantastic cases. Well, they make watch straps too. And as you can see here, I have two watch straps, a leather watch strap and then also a civilian watch strap. And they both are compatible with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. So you can see here, I have the Mystic Black with this leather band. And you'll notice that it is really well constructed. No missing stitches, no loose stitches whatsoever, and it really dresses up your Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, as you can see here. Now if you want to see what this band would look like on, this is what it would look like on, right? Really nice stitching throughout right here. You can see how nice this looks right here, all the way down. And then if I were to just put it on, let me show you how this looks when it's on. All you do is just put it right through here like this. You strap it on. And then this is what it's going to look like with the strap on. Now, you're able to tuck this away underneath these two loops, and then this loop right now will allow you to snap it into this position right here. So this is, again, compatible with either version. You can use it with the silver or the black. I just chose to put it in this one. Now the other one that we have here, and this one I would say is the best one if you're somebody who's very athletic or you're on the outdoors, because this is a silicone band. So this is leather. This is going to be great for dressing up, but I wouldn't recommend it if you're going to be running or using it in the gym. So, but you could get both, right, and just swap them out. So here is the civilian. And what I like about the civilian is that it is a silicone band, right, and really soft to the touch. And this is going to be the type of band that you don't have to worry about when you're working out, because if you sweat, it's not going to get smelly or stretch or in any way. This is what it looks like on this one. Looks really nice. And if I were to put it on, let's go ahead and put it on all the way so you can see what it looks like. Strap it on. Goes into place just like this. I like this one because the band actually tucks underneath. You see that? And then this is what it's going to look like. And again, both of these bands are compatible with either one. And if you have like the 46mm Galaxy Watch, one of the older ones, this will work as well. Because again, these are universal, right? So the size are 22mm, and they're going to work with either of these watches. So let me know what you thought about these watches in the comment area below.